sexist or lewd remarks or jokes. Okay? Yung mga jokes pala, sabi ko joke lang, pero may meaning. It's what we call double meaning. Double meaning words. May mga babae naman, kasakay-sakay sila. Na baka sa among na lalaki, pag nag-joke kami, tapos ikaw sumakay ka sa joke, anong ibig sabihin nun? You are also interested. Okay? Kung nagkamalaki, no? Keep silent and then get away. The message is clear. Anong message? Anong message mo? You don't want to hear that. You don't want them to talk about it. That is the message. Pero kung nagpapakti ka diba sa kakadlaw ka man, tapos comment ka na, anong gusto mo? Gusto mo man. Are you following me? Ha? Are you following me? Ito pa isa. Ito, mahilig tayo dito ngayon. Display of sexually explicit materials. Sexual or sexual telephone calls or fax messages, wala nang fax na yun. Email, graffiti, letters, or notes. Okay? May mga chairs dyan, may mga drawing ng mga male organ.
Yes, sir.
Pag nadagpan ninyo, nag-drawing sila. That is sexual harassment. Okay? That is called graffiti. Nakuha? Are you following me? So, tandaan nyo na, these are sexual views that must not be tolerated. Okay? Never allow people who are doing this. Okay? So, sir, anong gagawin? Pag-usapan natin mamaya. Anong gagawin ninyo? Yan. How does, di ba sinabi ko kanina, merong suggestive comments, and kapag compliment, iba ang meaning nun. A compliment produces a good feeling. Okay? A compliment produces a good feeling. This means, maganda pakiramdam mo kapag nag-compliment ng isang tao, kapag nag-suggest ang isang lalaki, maganda ang feeling mo. Pero, kapag